Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. We're going to do some translation in special mudaf. So first one is Bighairil Haq. If you don't remember, it doesn't matter. You take a print, keep a side-by-side screen and do the assignment. That's it. Okay. Don't need to memorize the meaning. But better if you can recognize these are special mudaf, that's more than enough. Okay. So Bighairil Haqqi. Bighairil Haqqi. So ghair mean other than. So al haqqi, other than the right justification. And next one is wara'akum. Wara'akum. Wara mean behind. So wara mean behind or beyond. Kum mean you all, behind all of you. Khalfihim. Khalfihim. Khalf mean also behind. So behind him mean them, behind them. Okay. You just has to translate. This is just a translation exercise. Fauka. Faukas nataini. Faukas nataini. Ithnataini mean two women. So fauka mean above two women. Okay. So the fifth one is qabla him. Qabli him. Him mean them. Qabl mean behind. So or before them. Qabla mean before them. Baudukum. Baul means some of them. Some of. Kum mean you all. Some of you all. Some of you all. Bainana. Baina mean between. Na mean us. Between us. Ayyu mean which, any. You can say any. Ayyuhum, any of them, which of them. You can translate like that. And next one is Bainal Ukhtaini. That means Ukhtaini mean two sisters. Baina mean between two sisters. Very easy. Wara Dhalikum. Wara mean again behind or beyond. Dhalikum mean that for all of you. Dhalikum. Dhalika mean Dhali mean that for. And Dha mean that, Li for mean for, and Kum mean all of you. Wara mean behind that for all of you. Ladunna. Ladunna. So Ladun mean specially from, and Na mean us, specially for us kind of meaning. Next one is Ba'udal Farilati. Farilati mean the obligation. Ba'uda mean after the obligation. Next word is 13 Duna. Duna mean beside. Zalika mean that, besides that. In the mean with. Ka mean you. With you. Okay, with you. And Fawakkaha. Fawakkaha. Not Fawakkaha, Faukaha. Fauka. Fauka mean above. Fauka mean above. So ha mean her or it. Above her or above it. Tahta shajarati. Tahta mean under. Okay, shajara mean tree. So under the tree. Baina huma. Baina huma, you know both of them. Baina mean between both of them. So easy assignment. So just little bit vocabulary. If you have little bit vocabulary, this is very easy. So even you don't know, doesn't matter. Keep the paper with you and do it. It's like a refreshment exercise. So anyway, when you are learning Quran, we are going to learn all these words. So nothing to worry. Okay. Subhanallah wa bihamdi, subhanakallah wa bihamdika, ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, astaghfiruka wa atubu.